Guy, we got a crown wig right here. It's an '04, so the body is an '07 type deal. I don't understand, but it is. The front, the hood is different, but it is an '04. We're gonna show you how to install a radio. It's a Sony right here, and we're gonna basically, we can pop this out and open it and get that without taking the whole thing. So we got the tool for this, and I'll share you a link below to order it. It's not that expensive. So I got a bunch of tools in here. This is for almost any car. So I'm put it in like that, right there. And I have another one. Now once it's snapped, what you want to do, you pull it outward like this, and then you pull it straight out, because it's gonna lock, and then it's gonna just come slide right out. So basically like this and like this. At this one, you want to use this tool. It's better. You put it in same way, and you just pry it out, pull it out this way, and then just pull it straight out. Because what happened is this clip right there. Once you put it in, once you push it in like this, see that? Watch. It's gonna lock. See that? See, it pulled this thing in. So when you push this, when you go like this, see that? When you pull it out like this, and it's going in, so it's not gonna lock this part, and then it just slide right out. So we're gonna be doing the steering wheel control. This is hooked up before to, I don't know what kind of radio it is. So we got the gray, red right there. It's gonna go to pin 18. According to my view, pin 18 will be that blue wire right there in the back. It's not the antenna, but it's a according to my diagram, it's right there on the third one. So I'm gonna hook this up to this gray and red from the axis. Basically everything is easy. It's color to color. The only difference is since we're doing a steering wheel control, we have to program it with access model. So the red will stay with the red right here. It's gonna be 3 wire red, basically from the plug right there. It's the same color. Yellow is gonna be just 2, and then black is gonna be 3. As you can see right there, basically the black one from here, from the steering wheel control box going here, and then the black from the gray to here, and then there's a black, and then and then there's the there's a black that come from here. Basically there's gonna be 3 plug. Let me see, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, there's gonna be another one which is a light green from the Sony, so you can watch a video for brake bypass. And then everything else gonna be color to color, red, green, purple, and such like that. So right here is the wire that you're gonna have to look for, if I'm right. It's a 18. So right there, you're gonna have the blue and red. Yeah, the blue and red's gonna be hooked up to, I was wrong about this one. So basically the gray and red from the access, you're gonna have to tap it to the blue and red right here. See the blue and red right there? So you're gonna have to take a blade and cut this out, these tapes. So what I do is I strip this wire out like that, and then I'll find that wire for the right here. I'm just gonna cut it low right here. That's for the if it's got a power antenna. I don't think it's got it, so I'm gonna have it long as possible. So I'm gonna cut it right here. So you twist the wire like that and then tape them. Now on the back of the stereo, you're gonna have to plug these the 3.5 millimeter to this right there underneath the red, because it will say, see, the red is for the mic and this one for the remotes. So all the radio will have say remotes. Now you want to plug the main harness in like that. And now you want to turn the key on position and wait for the radio to come on. Give it a couple seconds. Press close. Don't worry about that. Press home. I'm gonna press the volume up and see that thing. Yep, see, now it's working. Simple as that. Right there. All you do is tap on this intermittently like this. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should learn pretty quick. See that? And that's it. Let me see the mode. Yep, everything else working. So great. 995802, and I don't know where this part went, but we're gonna slide it in here, going through the wire in there. So you slide it in like so, and then this thing doesn't come with the right bracket, so I'm having a little bit of problem trying to get it all the way in the right that I want it to. So I'm gonna slide this wire right there, this plug gonna go in first. I'm gonna try to grab it down on the bottom right there where I ran the RCA jack and amplifier wiring, so he's not ready for that today, so I'm getting ready for him so that way we don't have to go back and take this off again because I didn't get the right bracket. So right there. So I got the metal bracket or metal holder, and basically I'm gonna go like that, and then I'm gonna use this so I can hold it in right there, because I had to flip it upside down because of this radio. And then I'll twist it like this. Put a screw in there, just twist it so it won't come back down. So that's how you do it right there. See this? Just start twisting it like that. See that? It's gonna lock in like that. Right there. And also right here, I'm doing one hand, so bear with me on that one. Right there. I had to use the second one so it stays. See how it stays right now? It's locked in tight. So now what I'm gonna have to do with this kind of radio, I'm gonna have to tape them and then push it in so it's gonna be tight in there. Plug all the plug back, and the antenna will go to the antenna. You'll see antenna on the side of this radio right there. It's the big one right here. That's antenna, and then you hook up to a subwoofer. It will say SW on if you do a sub install.